One day, Old School Diesel came to visit with Sir Topham Hatt. "What is it that you need, Diesel?"
"Me and the other minis have been getting very messy. We need to get cleaned up, fast."
"Messy? What do you mean?"
"Well, it's actually all kinds of things, like chocolate donut messes, and soda, and, yellow snow, and waffle batter, and don't forget syrup, and, oh yeah, chocolate, and did I mention chocolate? And of course pie, and chocolate brownies, and yeah, Rice Krispie treats too. Belle and Flynn hose us down afterwards, but, it's really not enough."
"All right, I think I know how we'll take care of this problem."
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ends in Bath Time! There will be a bathtub waiting at the bottom of each end of the track. And the mini on the losing side will fall in and get a bath.
Well, I sure could use a bath. I've got paint all over me.
Starting things off, Timothy versus Gordon. Whoa, Timothy, nice move.
Arr, I thought we was gonna win. Oh, after a bumpy landing like that, me needs some water to relax. Well, it ain't salt water, but I guess it'll do. Well, I suppose it wouldn't hurt me to clean up a bit here in this here bathtub. I don't know, it just doesn't feel like water to me when there ain't no boats sailing around. Well, shiver me timbers, it be the legendary Captain Ernie. I've heard all about him before. Ahoy there! Welcome to this here bathtub.
And now, Tolly versus Whiff.
Oh, come on, how did I get partnered with Whiff? Well, I suppose that a bath won't do me any harm. What is that? Is that a shark? Get me out of here! Oh, great, 2 of them?
Don't worry, we don't eat meat. But you're not meat!
And now, Ferdinand versus Thomas. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Sir Handel versus Hank. Semi-finals, Tolly versus Timothy.
Wow! It's really cold in here! What's wrong with you people? There's literally icebergs floating around! This is ridiculous! I was hoping for a nice, relaxing bath! Try relaxing in ice! It's impossible! I managed to find the tip of the iceberg above the water level! But still, it's really cold! Can I get a little help here? Can somebody, drain the bath
he goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Sir Handel or Ferdinand?
Uh-oh, that fell.
Fast forward mode.
Hang in there, Ferdinand. Don't give up.
Time's up. We better try that again. Fast forward mode.
Come on. Don't give up. No! Oh, this isn't so bad. This is pretty relaxing, except for the sharks.
Ka-chow, ka-pow. I'd like to make a little contribution to this bath here myself. Enjoy!
Final round. Sir Handel versus Timothy.
This is gonna be fun. Oh, look at all the toys in here.
I say we get this party started. Should I turn on the jets? Of course.
Arr! There be some rough water here for us! Oh! I can't control where I'm going, and I can't see anything!
The jets are on a timer. Once that timer stops, let's get on that boat.
It's a good thing you're here with me, Salty. I'll bring us over to safety. Uh-oh. Ah! Oops, sorry about that.
Sir Handel is the winner.
I've got paint all over me still, even though I took a bath. Is there some soap? Oh, that's good. Perfect. Ooh, I'm feeling cleaner already. Whoa, okay, rinse me off. Wow, I'm sparkling new. This is the best my paint's ever looked. Thank you.
Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to take your bath.